and we're going to add a video, or we're going to add a ripple. Okay, very simple. So we're going to go from a web page. We'll just see what's there. Okay, so I put in my Facebook page just to see what it pulls up. And of course, we're doing this live. I didn't practice any of this beforehand. So, yep, that's the one.
Family Feud, weekdays at 3 on WECP. Are you currently on Medicare? In other words, do you carry the red, white, or blue Medicare card? If so, are you suffering from chronic back pain or knee pain? If you answered yes, you may be eligible for a pain-relieving back brace or knee brace covered by Medicare at little to absolutely no cost to you. These professional-grade back braces are ideal for lower back pain, rheumatoid, and osteoarthritis.
So it's making me go through the whole thing and log in my Facebook. So it's going to take, this video will be just a little over 5 minutes. So just give me 1 second while I go and do that login for them.
Turn on the TV, turn the volume up.
Alright, 304-602. Y'all help me remember that. 304-602. 304-602.
Hi everybody, welcome back to NFL Honors. I'm up here with some real football fans up here. Yeah. Everybody up here is having a good time. Okay, so this is what I want to do. I thought I'd do some football trivia. Okay, I got a Rams fan. You stand up, man. You're about to be famous. You're on TV. You ready for this? You look good. Where are the Rams?
All right. Now then it says, we're going to go from the web page here.
Actually, Cleveland. It used to be the good. Take the surprise look off your face. We've had good things in Cleveland. It's okay. Cleveland. Now let's find the Patriots fan. You got a jersey on. Stand up, sir. You're a Patriots fan. Here's a little trivia for you. Where was Bill Belichick's
came here.
coaching job?
Now I'm going to find something on here.
No question mark. It's Cleveland.
Yeah, great. You're right. I'm pretty sure you were supposed to give a wrong answer, but... yeah, thanks for coming, guy. Just up here killing jokes. All right, I got a Browns fan right here. Let's go. I like that. Here we go. Here's my question. Who's
Let me see. How about this one?
AFC next season? The Browns. You damn right. The Cleveland Browns next year.
And we are going to make a promo for...
Y'all listen to me. Please welcome two-time Super Bowl champion Malcolm Jenkins and last year's Offensive Rookie of the Year, the New Orleans Saints running back Alvin Kamara.
Alright, we're getting really close here. Alright. So we're just going to use that. Let's see if this works. We'll see what happens. So I just put in the web page and I put in use. I'm going to put on here Godaddy Day. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to say. Oh, that's fine. Here, let me do, right here, we're going to back out of that. We're going to go beginner level marketing package, right? Only $7.90. Alright, perfect. So that's what we're going to do for that. We're going to go back. We're going to move that forward. Alrighty. So this is what it came up with. Okay, that one's all right. So we're just going to check through a couple of them here, see which design we want to go with. That picture's kind of blurry. I don't really like that. So I think we'll go with that one right there. Perfect. Okay, let's see if we got some music. Okay, all done. So we got GoDaddy Day, beginner level marketing, only $7.90. Okay, we're gonna look and see if we need a border. I don't hate that. I like this better. All right. I think I like that one better. Okay, we're done with that. We're gonna change the text to white. We're done with that. And mess with the font just a little bit. Go with that. Done. All right, good. So that's our video. Now we're going to go here to the right, and we are going to publish that live. Okay, so this is how you make a video with Ripple really quickly, under 5 minutes. You do it for free, and then you can share it to your social media outlet. If you don't want to do your own video, I'm happy to help you. Obviously, I know how to do it. I just did that one, so I'm going to share this to a couple of my channels here. Right. We're just going to let that go live, or let this go onto our channels. This video that we just made, not the one we're making currently, but the one that we just made in the app. Okay, so I picked all those out, let it go to all of my channels, save it to the photos, and we are good. I'm going to share that now, and it is uploading. It's going to make us go over here to Instagram and put in our specifics. I'll put it in my feed. Okay, you want to make sure it's going to be sized correctly, that everything looks good for Instagram. Okay, so that's what we're going to do for Instagram. We're going to give it a little bit of sprucing up, just a little bit. There we go. That one. We're going to add it to gotta make sure you're on the right channel.
New Monday. What's up in the neighborhood?
Ready to have some fun? You know it, girl.
Yeah, it's just going really, really slow. Alright.
Where are you comfortable with me putting my hands? That works.
So I'm trying to change my account there. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to actually go into my Instagram, open my account, change it up, and then go back in. So here we go.
Overall winner of the Courtyard Unstoppable Performance for 2018 is Jared Goff of the Los Angeles Rams. In Week 4, the Vikings had no solution for this third-year gunslinger, who threw for 5 touchdowns and 465 yards, the most passing yards.
Okay, I'm going to have to do the Instagram later, y'all. This is what it is. Okay, but I'm going to act like I've already done the Instagram, done. So what's going on is I just need to go out, log into my other account, and then come back and do it again. Okay, so we're done with that. That means we're done with the Ripple video. And so now you should know how to make a really quick, really engaging promo video, and you can do it absolutely free right here on the Ripple app, RIPL. I will leave my, I guess I'll leave a link at the bottom so that I can get a credit if you use this referral, and I would appreciate it. So that's it, y'all. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you again next time. This is GoDaddy Dave, and that's how you make a free 5-minute promo video. Talk to you soon. Bye.